A few months ago, we showed you how to automate SMS messages using Zapier. Zapier is fantastic for connecting apps, but as your business scales, using it for high-volume text messaging can burn through your task limits quickly. Today, we are doing the exact same thing, connecting Google Sheets to Twilio, but via a direct connection. This keeps your costs down and saves your Zapier tasks for more complex workflows. And don't worry about the complexity. We're going to be using Google's Gemini to write the code for us, so we don't have to write much code ourselves. Let's get into the build. First, create a fresh Google Sheet. You need 3 specific columns. Column A, the receiver's phone number, column B, the message body, and column C, a status column. This status column is important. It's how we'll know if Twilio actually delivered the message or if there was an error. Next, log into your Twilio console. We need 3 things to make this work: your account SID, your authentication token, and your active Twilio phone number. Now go to aistudio.google.com. Turn on the code execution toggle. We are asking Gemini to act as a Google Apps Script expert. We need to be very specific to get the right code. I've pasted the exact prompt I'm using in the description below so you can copy it. But here is the logic. We tell it our column structure and we ask for 3 specific features. Configuration variables at the top for our API keys, a loop that can only send text if the status column is empty, and a custom menu button so we can run this without opening the code editor every time. If your Google Sheet matches my format, grab the code on GitHub from below. But stay for AI Studio. It's how you build a custom automated SMS system to handle your outbound outreach for free. And check the reply software link. Don't leave customers hanging and lose those leads. Look at that. Gemini generated the code and added comments explaining what each part does. Copy that code, go back to your sheet, click Extensions, then AppScript. Paste the code in. Now look at the top of the code. The AI left placeholders for your Twilio ID, token, and phone number. Paste your real keys inside those quotation marks. Hit the save icon. I'm going to run the script. When you run this for the first time, you might see a scary warning saying Google hasn't verified this app. Don't panic, this is your app, so it is safe. You must click Advanced, and then click on the link at the bottom that says Untitled Project or whatever you renamed it as to proceed. Click on Select All and then Continue. Go back to your sheet. You should see a new menu called Twilio Manager. Go to Twilio Manager and then click on Send Pending SMS. Watch the status column. Boom, sent. And there's the text message. If I put in a fake number, the script will catch the error and update the status column telling me what exactly went wrong so I can fix that. You can expand on this easily. If you want to include the customer's name in the text, just update the prompt to say read the name column and add it to the message body. You just built a custom notification system for your business. If this helped you, don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you for watching.